Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm super excited to share something really cool with you. Have you ever wanted to view a private Instagram profile but couldn't? Well, I found a way to do it using a special tool called Unlock Private. I'll walk you through how it works step by step right here on my iPhone. So, let's get started. First, let me show you the tool. Here it is on my phone, and as you can see, it's designed to be a private account viewer. This means it can unlock and show you any content from private Instagram profiles. Now I'm going to show you how it works. I've already found a private profile that we'll use for this example. Here's the profile. Normally, you wouldn't be able to see anything from this account, but with Unlock Private, that's about to change. The first step is to copy the username of the private profile. Once you have the username copied, open the Unlock Private tool and paste the username. After pasting the username, you simply hit the Connect button and wait for the tool to do its magic. Now, we just have to wait a few moments. This usually doesn't take very long. Alright, the tool says the profile should now be unlocked. Let's go back to Instagram and check it out. And there it is. The profile is fully unlocked, and we can see all the posts and content. This is pretty amazing. You can use this tool to unlock any profile you want. If you're interested in getting this tool, make sure to keep watching this video. First, let's start by adjusting a couple of settings to optimize your device for this app. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. RocketMods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Unlock Private and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.